lot of our growth is based on our belief system, what we was taught, how we was raised, and what we believe to be true. And when you're doing a business or trying to establish your LLC or be independent, a lot of the things you was taught, like a lot, I'm gonna just throw it out there, 90% of what you was taught is a lie. From schools, it was a lie. Schools are made to turn us into workers. Anybody. It don't care what color you are. If you're going there, it's turning you into a worker. Think about it. You working for someone that's teaching you how to work, but they don't teach us how to be independent. And why you think that? Because the government will pay for your education, so that way you can help keep those in power. But if you want to empower yourself, you got to start breaking some chains. You got to realize that it takes money to make money, and you can't accept handouts unless they, someone trying to help your cause. But just a handout, someone is not going to give you something in this business without them benefiting. That's just what I learned. In the streets, we got a code. We don't snitch. We keep our word. You know what I mean? It's death before dishonor for some of us, not all of us, but for some of us. But this game that we call business, nah, bro. It's a whole nother philosophy. Their rules are different. Things that the street cat would die over. The business smile at and like, oh, it's business. What the fuck? Did you just do what I thought you did? And you just said it was business? Hey man, it's raw. So learn the game. I mean, honestly, I speak this because I'm out here pushing this. I'm building my brand of Hog On. I'm helping people. Not only am I creating things with my hand, but I'm also building things to help people with shelters, to help people with their business, to help people grow their brands. I'm in the business of helping people. And I know by me helping someone else is going to help me. And I'm helping myself as well. But I also want to see you make it over this hump. That's why I release these videos, not just to boast or brag about anything. Man, I want to see us all do better. And I'm knowing in order for me to get to the next level that I got to get to, I got to help you break those chains, because I need your help just like you need my help. But I'm knowing that you can't help me, or we can't work together like we need to if you still got chains on. So let's break those chains, man. It's 2019. Let's work together. Let's buy black. Let's build black. Be proud to be who you are. Hold on.